Hello friends, welcome to my channel Steno Daily Updates. Today's matter is very important regarding Steno exam. So we ready for dictation at the speed of 90 to 100 words per minute. Start. The National Handloom Day is observed on August 7 every year in India. On this day, the government and other organizations honor the handloom weaving community for their immense contribution to the socio-economic development of the country. The day also marks India's reaffirmation of protecting its glorious handloom heritage and empowering weavers and workers with greater opportunities to ensure livelihoods. To celebrate the day, the Ministry of Textile will organize a function in New Delhi's Convention Center. In 2015, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared August 7 as National Handloom Day. Today marks the seventh year that the country will celebrate National Handloom Day. Not only does the day celebrate India's rich handloom heritage, but also commemorates a significant historical event. On August 7, 1905, the Swadeshi movement, one of the several movements in India's freedom struggle, was launched in Calcutta Town Hall, a demonstration against the British government's decision to partition Bengal. Besides, the movement focused on reviving domestic production, encouraging indigenous industries, and the spirit of Swadeshi. A large number of handloom weavers took part in the movement. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the first National Handloom Day on August 7, 2015 in Chennai. While Delhi is hosting this year's function, similar events have been organized in Varanasi, Guwahati, Jaipur, and Bhubaneswar in the last few years. On Friday, August 6th, the Ministry of Textiles said that the government is taking measures to ensure sustainable development of the handloom sector, empowering handloom weavers and workers financially and instilling pride in their exquisite craftsmanship. It further said that three handloom craft villages at Kovalam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, Mohapara village district, Kohlaghat, Assam, and Kanihama, Budgam, Srinagar are being stabilized in collaboration with the respective state governments. The objectives of having these places is to ensure attraction for the domestic and international tourists and to promote the well-known handloom and handicraft products of the region, as over 70% of handloom weavers and allied workers are women. It acts as a key to women's National Handloom Day gives the opportunity for the viewers to experience recognition and appreciation. At least 98% of grants to the National Handloom Development Program were used up in the last 3 years. Rupees 355.05 crore was allocated as revised estimate under grant in aid, against which expenditure of rupees 347.65 crore was incurred. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये मैटर अच्छा लगा तो हमारे चैनल को प्लीज़ शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.